Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Crown Castle's second quarter earnings report for 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Crown Castle's latest financial performance and strategic updates.
Let's get started with a brief overview of Crown Castle. They own and operate a vast network of cell towers and fiber infrastructure across the U.S., connecting cities and communities with essential data and wireless services. Their Q2 2025 earnings report was just released, and there's a lot to unpack. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Crown Castle reported site rental revenues of $1,008 million for Q2 2025, a 5% decrease from the previous year. However, their net income increased to $291 million, with a net income per share of $6.67. John, can you explain these results?
Absolutely. While the site rental revenues saw a decline, primarily due to Sprint cancellations and decreases in amortization of prepaid rent, Crown Castle managed to increase their net income by 16% compared to Q2 2024. This was achieved through cost-cutting measures, including a reduction in selling, general, and administrative expenses and the absence of advisory fees that were present last year. Their adjusted EBITDA also reflects a slight decrease, but overall, the profitability metrics are strong.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Crown Castle has increased its full year 2025 outlook. What are the key drivers behind this positive adjustment?
The increase in the full-year outlook is driven by strong operational performance and higher leasing activity. Crown Castle has achieved 4.7% organic growth, excluding the impact of Sprint cancellations. They've also reduced overhead costs by $10 million, which contributes to their improved financial flexibility. Additionally, their capital expenditures remain stable at $40 million, focusing on discretionary projects that enhance long-term shareholder value.
It seems like Crown Castle is positioning itself well for the future. How do you see their strategic initiatives playing out?
Their focus on streamlining operations and maximizing shareholder value through the sale of their small cells and fiber solutions businesses is a strategic move. This will allow them to concentrate on their core tower business, which is expected to drive long-term growth and profitability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 94 cents for Crown Castle, but the actual EPS came in at $1.02. What does this tell us about the company's performance?
This is a significant beat, with the actual EPS exceeding the forecast by 0.08 cents. It highlights Crown Castle's ability to manage costs effectively and optimize their revenue streams despite the challenges in site rental revenues. Their AFO per share also came in at $1.02, indicating strong cash flow generation, which is crucial for sustaining their dividend payments and future investments.
How does this performance align with market expectations?
The market likely views this as a positive surprise, reinforcing confidence in Crown Castle's management and their strategic direction. Beating EPS expectations is a strong indicator of operational efficiency and financial health.
Key takeaways. In summary, Crown Castle has delivered a solid performance in Q2 2025 with a notable increase in net income and a beat on EPS expectations. Their strategic focus on operational efficiencies and core business growth is paying off. John, any final thoughts on Crown Castle's investment prospects?
Crown Castle is well positioned for future growth with a strong balance sheet and strategic initiatives that align with market demands. Their ability to adapt and optimize operations makes them an attractive investment in the communications infrastructure sector.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Crown Castle's performance in the comments below. Until next time.